Hello, my name is Tyler Perry, and I'm going to show you a lightning effect between two Tesla coils created with my particle engine. Lightning is a particularly difficult effect to model. Particle engines are particularly good for modeling effects that are microscopically random, but a lightning bolt is random at a macroscopic level. Some bolts go practically straight to the target, whereas other bolts will go part of the way and then fork into two different paths, one of which will reach the target and the other will go into nothing. Other bolts start from the center point and will immediately branch the completely wrong way. Still, other bolts seem to come from the end point to go to nothing. This macroscopic randomness is tough to model using particles, but is doable. The first step is the base case, a lightning bolt going from the origin to the target. Each bolt is composed of several segments, which each segment being composed of just enough particles to look solid. It would have been completely acceptable to remove the particle and replace them with a long, thin texture, but that is not in the spirit of this demo. The effect here is a great base case. It doesn't look particularly like what we want, though. It looks more like a Jacob's ladder. The next step is to create forking. Now, as I create each segment, I allow for what I call fail bolts. A fail bolt is a bolt that suddenly veers from the target and also pushes the current path off by a sizable margin. The result is that the original bolt appears to now have branched. The fail bolts are actually calculated in a different manner than normal bolts. They appear to be smoother and also have the ability to curve much more than the original bolts. This added randomness helps create the illusion that lightning is doing its normal strange stuff. Here I've applied the fail bolts to the start and end points. This is intended to help model the different branching bolts that appear around Tesla coils that are in close proximity to each other. I'll just let a few more show up before I move on to the next part. Alright. Now I've added in some basic sparks that appear at the end point, and then these sparks are the effects of gravity. They would massively benefit from a simple glow shader and having an oblong texture pointed in the direction of their movement. However, in this version of my particle engine, shaders are not supported, and I'm using the D3D Point Sprite class, which does not support rotation without some very hacky camera modifications. However, these sparks will definitely help us in our end result. So now, we're going to put all this together, speed up the lightning, and add two final touches to get our final result. And this is the final result. I added in a seed to the lightning. On the left side here, you'll notice it moves up and down in a linear fashion. This is to help mimic the way lightning moves around a static point. Also, we see this charge effect. That charge effect is just there to add some more emphasis to how cool lightning can be, and everyone knows lightning needs to charge up before it can actually start going. We see here I've reduced how often the sparks occur. This is to just remove some visual clutter from the overall effect. So, alright, thank you very much for watching.